Eating soup, especially Asian-style soup, will help you lose weight easily. When you start eating soup, the hormones in your stomach will recognize it as a warm meal, and they will send a message to the brain that the stomach is full. You will have better self-control and feel satisfied quicker and not overeat if you eat 1 or 2 or even 3 bowls of soup before the main dish. When I want to eat fatty food such as fried chicken or pizza, I would eat 2 bowls of soup before I eat the fatty food. If I don't eat soup, I would eat 3 to 4 pieces of fried chicken or 3 slices of pizza to be satisfied. But after eating the soup, I would be satisfied with 2 pieces of fried chicken or 1 or 2 slices of pizza. If you try this method, which is eating soup as your appetizer every day for a week or 2, you will notice that your clothes will soon become loose. Remember, it's not what you know that will make you slim, but what you do as a habit. So practice this habit and you will reap the benefit for the rest of your life. No more dieting and no more starving yourself, because now you know how to control your appetite. In the future, I plan to make more video lessons, but in the meantime, please take action so you can start on your weight loss journey. Till we meet again, and God bless you.